got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Delaney and this is another weekly home reset. Today's video is going to be slower. Definitely just tried to get a couple things done on this weekend, and to be fully transparent, I've actually been working so hard on my complete home reset series, filming all the content so that I can put that out for you guys. So on this weekend, I had deep cleaned the laundry room and the master bedroom, and I decorated the bedroom. So if you missed that video, definitely check out my spring bedroom decorate with me. I absolutely love how it turned out. So I've been, doing all that all weekend. And this was our spring break, and I did get to take 2 days off of work, so that was really nice. So in the midst of, visiting family and doing things around the house, and then also adding in some relaxing, the normal weekly home reset stuff was kind of put on the back burner, to be honest. So I at least did a few things. We're going to get some laundry put away. I'm going to share with you our meal prepping for the week, for lunch, dinner, and breakfast, and my son's meal preps. And then also gonna put away my small collection of St. Patrick's Day decor. Soon we'll be decorating for Easter. And then I did want to share a small little Bath and Body Works haul, because they recently had I think it was $3.50 for their hand soaps. So I definitely snagged some of those to stock up for spring and summer. But anyways, let's go ahead, fold some laundry. So my challenge to you is to grab a basket of laundry and fold along with me. I feel like laundry is always something that I put off, and then before I know it, I have mountains and mountains of laundry to put away. So when I get the chance to keep up with the laundry on a weekly basis, I feel so much better. So go ahead, grab that basket of laundry, and let's fold together.
Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. But now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But now, no words, no more, no. We don't know, no words, no more. We don't know, no words, no more. We don't know, no words, no more, no, no. We don't know, no words, no more. No more, we don't know, no us no more, no, no, yeah.
So I'm curious to know, how is your spring cleaning going? Do you do spring cleaning, or do you just kind of, keep cleaning throughout the whole year? I like to do a deeper clean, especially in the spring, summertime. And then, throughout the rest of the year, I will keep up with like monthly deep cleans. And then, of course, I've got my weekly cleaning and then daily cleaning, but definitely the spring cleaning is more of the cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. So I mentioned my complete home reset series. So part one was my coffee bar. I had set up my new Nespresso virtual machine. So that was really exciting. Part two was the living room. So definitely check that out. And then coming up next is going to be a two-part for the kitchen. So the pantry and fridge is going to be in one video, and then the rest of the kitchen, like all of the cabinets underneath the sink, the appliances, the countertops, all of that is going to be part two. And then I have a like powder bath refresh, and then like a storage closet. And then I mentioned we have the laundry room. We also have the bedroom, the master bath, the master closet, and then of course going into like my son's room and his bathroom and all of that. So I honestly think that this series is going to go through until probably May. And I think that's important to realize that you don't need to get it all done in 1 week or even 1 month. Like, I think just going at it at your own pace and knowing what's going to work best for you, and really think through like the systems and the like organization that you're going to be putting into place. You want to put thought into that so that it's something that will work for the long term. And it is okay to switch things up, because that's, trial and error is important too. So just let me know down in the comments, how is your spring cleaning going? Do you have any big projects coming up, or are you kind of tackling your whole house too?
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and share with you the meal prep lineup for the week. For lunch, I have a little veggie and pepperoni, mozzarella snack plate. So we have cucumbers, carrots, peppers, and these little pepperoni and mozzarella roll-ups. And then I'll usually have like some pretzels or something with that. For dinner, just rice, broccoli, shredded chicken. For Odin, he's super picky, so every week is a new week to try something else, but we got some string cheese, some carrots, some grapes, and some yogurt bites. And then usually we'll add in a Uncrustable or just a regular old PB&J. And then for lunch, I've got some breakfast, turkey bacon, and some of my protein sheet pan pancake that I shared last week. So it made enough for 2 weeks. So I had frozen this and they're thawing out right now. But otherwise, that is pretty much it. I got some fruit all prepped up too here in the fridge. Some apples that I'll cut up usually the day before, some strawberries, blueberries, extra cucumbers, and then I have some little containers of strawberries and blueberries that I'll take with me. So that's pretty much it for all the meals this week, at least for the work week. And then we're going to go ahead and take down St. Patrick's Day decor. I really just have 2-tier trays that I decorate. I didn't even buy anything new for St. Patrick's Day this year, but we did celebrate. I guess I should say I bought Odin some new books for St. Patrick's Day, but decor-wise, nothing new, and I like to keep it simple and just decorate those 2-tier trays, one in the living room and one in my son's room. And for our Bath and Body Works soap haul, so I picked up all of these really pretty ones. I love the design on them. So this one is white cucumber and mint, and I love the green color. Again, I think I'm going to definitely use these throughout spring and summer. The second one here is this Sunny Lemon Orchard. Again, like I love all things spring scents. And then this one is Springtime Greenhouse. So definitely going to be putting this in our the powder bath right away because we are overdue, but it's super funny because Odin keeps pulling out the Christmas hand soap, but hey, Christmas all year long is totally fine with me. I also got some fresh cut lilacs. I also have this in a wallflower scent and a candle, so that's one of my favorites for this time of year for sure. And then Beautiful Day. I love this one. This has been like a long time favorite of mine. I know that I've had it in like the body care scents too, so I was excited to see it in the hand soaps. And then to go upstairs in Odin's bathroom, I picked up some lavender driftwood, eucalyptus mint. This is also one that I have in a candle and is one of my absolute favorites. And then white tea and sage, also have that in a candle. So that is it for today's video. Short and sweet, but thank you so much for watching. And I hope I gave you a little bit of motivation. And I hope to see you very soon and have a beautiful week. Bye.